Nice one. Now, so we're gonna start it like this. All right, yeah, we're gonna start it like this. All right, this is I get this from the Caribbean. Someone was writing, said they subscribe to my YouTube channel. When I buy stuff from them, I get a discount price. You know what I mean? We're not promoting like, you know what I mean? We are get people to recognize and listen. There are a lot of healthy stuff is out there. We don't have to support. We don't need to support another business company where, you know what I mean, we can support the own black business. That's where Chef Ricardo is at the moment. So if you see I'm doing this kind of video on a show, because these are very good and I like healthy stuff. Just like when you go to the shop. Alright, and you know they show this honey. Say yes, this is the honey I use. Alright. It's my own black business. We have to support them. Alright guys, so please log on with Chef Ricardo and let's support one another. Alright. I know that there's a lot of people, you know what I mean. There's a 50% discount price, guys. With Chef Ricardo. Alright. Now, sorry about that. I was just like getting things the right and proper way. This one, you need to get it from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice and have it in your kitchen. Alright. The link will be in the description box. So tonight we're going to be using some fresh ginger and some fresh lemon, and we're going to make a cup of tea before we go to our bed. Alright. Now, it's two things you can make the tea with. Alright guys, and I'm going to be showing you tonight another way or you can also make the tea without you have to stress yourself. Okay. So I'm going to be grating this piece of ginger. Alright, so I'm going to grate this piece of ginger right here. So if you're going to work out about a teaspoon of ginger right here. Alright, here it is. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Right, this is what you need. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Alright. Now, squeeze some lemon inside of it. Don't worry yourself with the seeds. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Squeeze out that liquid. Nice one. So that look nice? Yeah. Then pour some hot water in it. Right, then you're gonna cover it. Leave it for a couple of minutes. Alright, then this one is very, very good for you. It's a relaxing drink. Alright, here it is. Look at this. Roughly about a teaspoon this, is it? Yeah. Nice. Alright, that looking good guys. Beautiful. Let's put a little bit more. So that look nice. Alright. And then hot water. Wow, very hot. cover it, leave it for it to steam for a few minutes. All right, yeah. Big up yourself. Paz Island Kitchen, big up yourself. All right, guys, if you're not a member of my YouTube channel, you need to join the membership and start support Chef Ricardo. All right, as you can see, here it is one more time. If you guys can see exactly what's going on. Look at that, beautiful and nice. I like to drink these, man. All right, yeah, beautiful. And that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. This is hot. Wow. Now, here it is. All right. This is very, very hot, guys. All right. This is the tea. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is pour. All right. Just like this. All right. Let's pour it in. So you strain it. All right. It's good to go. And then you can just pour a little bit more water upon this one and make it go and soak. All right. Now, see this? This is just amazing. This is lovely, guys. Wow. Wow. That is exactly what I'm talking about. The perfect ginger tea. Get yourself ready for the winter, because winter is coming around the corner. And I'm telling you this, it's going to be a freezing cold one. Get yourself together. Trust me. All right? 100%. All right? Now, as you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Paz Island Kitchen, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. 100%. All right? Yeah. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. 100%. That is lovely. Beautiful. Nice and lovely, guys. This one is just like really delicious. All right. Now, as you can see it for yourself, beautiful one.